ducks went out one day, over the hill so far away. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 4 came waddling back. Oh, where could they be? Swimming in the pond or up a tree. Mama duck quacked loud and strong, come back home where you belong. 4 little ducks went out to play, into the woods they lost their way. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only 3 came waddling back. Oh, where could they be? Hiding by the stream or under the sea. Mama duck quacked loud and long, come back home where you belong. 3, then 2, then 1 came home. Mama was left all alone. She quacked so loud it shook the sky, and all 5 ducks came running by. Oh here, now I see, back with Mama safe as can be. She quacked a song so soft, so sweet, together again their worlds complete.